What's up, YouTube? It's Fly by Game CEO DJ Not BJ on IG. Just got off work. It is 3:46 in the morning. If you don't know who Score is, he was in the first video with the Honda 250. That was his first bike, but he don't have it no more due to the engine being locked up. Some fucked up shit that the Hobby Lobby man did. We ain't gonna speak on that. That's for another video. But basically, he got a new dirt bike. It's a Kawasaki 250, and he said he like it better. So yeah, it's 3:46, and I'm finna hop on that thing. He told me to pull up, hop on that thing, so see you there. My boy spot. This is where we shot the last video at, the first video. I'm finna pull up over there. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck! Oh, there you go. Gang! Drop the AirPod, but I found it. Let's go. Kind of dirt bike he rocking right now. I really convinced him to get the 250 Kawasaki. There you go. Back down and shit. The grind don't stop. The riding don't stop. Don't matter what time it is, we gonna forever ride. I don't care what time it is, we riding. Huh? You wanna ride to, oh, tell me you finna go to the gas station right now? Yeah. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe to the video, because we're only going up from here. And yeah.
Two. I gotta zip tie that bitch back on the damn thing.
Oh, talking about this one?
Yeah.
That shit straight.
Okay.
What that button that you were talking about? Oh, this?
Yeah.
What the fuck? So
It's a launch control button, bro.
So how the hell you gotta go like this while you on the clutch?
Just hold it. Just hold that shit and that bitch light up.
I ain't about to mess with that tonight. And he got Balenciaga on. Right, he on this motherfucker too. And it's wet.
Shit, empty as hell.
Hell yeah.
You gotta find that compression spot where you.
What is this though? Trying to find out, what's this?
But I don't even know, bro.
Ain't-
It might be to this shit right here.
Probably
like
so.
Then it
Probably
got
a
this
battery.
then it got this little shit right here for the goddamn
Compression? For the antifreeze?
Yeah.
Okay. It just need new fairings. That's it. New fairings.
What it is?
Plastics.
Oh yeah.
That's all I need, new fairings. You straight. Ooh, you ain't got no damn cover though. You remember how on your last one, you on that last, you know, you need to take that cover out
Oh yeah.
for that on that Honda and put it right there.
You said the one height look better.
On this, it's like Kawasaki. This is my favorite dirt bike. Kawasaki, just because it was my first one.
Yeah.
I ain't really a fan of Honda, but they last long.
I ain't fucking with that, boy. But it just add a little more torque to it, a little more power, bro.
When you pulling off or while you driving?
Well, like, period. Like, it only do it in first and second. This dirt right here, he probably will.
This thing got the launch control button. You'll see it light up once you kick it. There you go. You see it. Wow, you gotta kick it. He still is learning how to ride. That boy is still learning how to ride. He do not fully know how to ride. That is crazy. But he be talking, oh, I'm about to beat somebody's bike. I'm about to beat somebody's bike. It is like 5 o'clock in the morning. All these people going to work and we riding dirt bikes on the main road. Here you go. definitely need to learn on how to catch that clutch, because he's riding that clutch too long. He gonna burn his clutch out. He's definitely gonna burn his clutch out. But being the main one talking about some, oh, this race, I'm about to win the race. No, not doing that. No. You recording?
Yeah. Alright, start right here. Boom. Think you lose the speed and shit. You like this better? You like this better?
Yeah. This one better. This is for night though.
Yeah, I'm gonna get on that bitch tomorrow.